Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide a channel from a server on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open one of servers I have joined on Discord. And I'm going to open this server, for example. And if you want to hide a channel from server, you need to mute the channel first, and then I'm going to mute this channel. Okay, right click on it and then click on mute channel. I'm going to choose until I turn it back on, and after that you're going to click on the server's name, and then you can click on hide muted channels, and then the channel that you have muted will be hidden from the server. Okay guys, and that's how you can that's how you can hide a channel in a server on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.